Samsung black stainless steel 4 doors refrigerator, already 14 months old, still running and pretty good. Still is so quiet, the most quiet refrigerator I ever owned. There is basically no problems with the refrigerator for the past 14 months. A couple of small things. One of them is after using the water heater, a little bit few drops down there. Another thing which I'm not so sure about it, I tried to compare. The display shows 35 degrees. I installed a thermometer, outdoor thermometer inside, which shows 38 degrees. There is about 3 degree difference. Who's right, who's wrong, I'm still not sure. I'll investigate about it. Anything else? I changed the filter twice. The filter change is so easy. There is the filter right here. It's so easy for an exchange. Each filter is about $25. There is some cheaper versions, but I'm not so sure how good are they. Bottom line, good refrigerator. Thank you for watching, good luck and bye.